Hi everyone, thank you for joining us for the second cutest video hop ever. And thank you Emily for inviting us once again. Today this cutie is going to craft with me and we're going to use the stamps and ink sent by Ranger from the Simon Hurley collection and Catherine Puller's inks. So what's your name?
Ryan.
And how old are you?
6.
Are you excited to get crafting?
Yeah.
So let's get started. We're creating a card today using the Simon Hurley's Create stamp set called Dudes 2 and Catherine Puller's inks. We'll be using the Misty to help align the stamps together. And there you go. Do you remember how to align the card?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Alright, and we need to ink it first. I'm going to put the ink for you, alright? Because this is a very, very black ink. Alright, stamp it and see if it's... Okay, press hard. Press. Have to rub it. Alright? No, not like that. Like this. Not with your fingernails. Okay, come. Okay, we need more ink. Where? On the word birthday and the dog. Let's try again. Okay, let's try again. Spot. Alright, it's much better. Okay. So now that we're done stamping the image onto the card, and Ryan chose a pink cardstock as the base. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to use the inks, and we are going to use a cotton bud and just make little confettis. Yeah, go ahead anywhere. And then we can use another part for another color. Okay. So now we're going to do coloring, right?
Yeah.
Just bring in your color pencils.
Yes. Color pencil time.
Alright, so
Done. Yeah.
Ryan has made his card, and this is mine.
White mom's,
Yep.
pink mine.
And we hope you enjoyed watching the both of us craft.
Yes. Bye.
So thank you for crafting with us, and this is the card that Ryan made. This is mine. So we had
Mine is
fun.
Very nice too.
We had fun using Catherine Puller's inks to create confetti on the card, and Simon Hurley's stamps to create the
Stamps.
stamped image. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you're enjoying the hop. Till next time, bye. Thanks for joining us. Bye. Say
Bye. Have a nice day.